Welcome to the Joined Up Minute. Let's talk about dispensing robots. The first thing to realize is that a robot doesn't actually do dispensing, it's merely a positioning system. So in order for it to be a dispenser, you need to have some extra bits and pieces to go with it. The first is you'll need some form of dispensing mechanism, whether that's a pressurized syringe or a valve or a pump. You'll need to be able to fit that to the robot, and you'll need to be able to feed that with material from some form of reservoir. Again, it could be a simple syringe, could be a pressure pot, could be some other form of pump. You'll need some fixtures and tooling to put your parts onto the robot to make sure they're securely and reliably located in place while the dispensing is occurring. And then finally, you'll need some form of safety enclosure, some way of protecting your operators from a piece of moving equipment. And then finally, and most importantly, you'll probably need some training to make sure you're getting the optimal use out of the equipment you just bought. So let's start by talking about your application.